Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nabeel Ahmed and welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Nabeel. So guys, first of all, I am gonna show you that a yoga website which is made by HTML and CSS. So guys, here is the logo and here is the navbar which is home, why us, our trainers, and review button. Alright, and here is the contact us form, contact us button you can see, and when I click on the book consultant, you can see the color will be changed. This is basically a yoga website which is made by HTML and CSS. You can see here I click here I add the button which is watch your video, and moving forward you can see the here is the why us page. Why us page shows us the with our training you have a good mood, relieve stress, and improving overall fitness, and excellent yoga skills that will always be useful. Alright, then moving forward, our trainers. These are our trainers. Anlik, here is also the contact button. You can contact the Anlik, and you can contact Ruby Peltro, and you can contact Johanna White. It's not a Angela White, it's a Johanna White. So guys, moving forward, this is also a training person. Professional trainers, best training center, effective trainings, personal program, contest and tournament, support from trainer. You can see here I add different colors and different type of colors. You can see here. Alright, and now moving forward, it's a yoga for everybody. You can see here I add a design which is the alignments, and which is made by CSS. Here are the professional design, and last the reviews. These are the reviews which I add, and this is start your training right now. You can add your number, email, and get in touch. Alright, then you can see when you add the number and email, the thanks for filling out the form. Now you can see here is the reviews, why how yoga can help you. This is also just frequently asked questions. You can see here is the how I start doing yoga, what equipment do I need sport background, it this religious, how is yoga different from meditation. You can see that when I click on this, the comment will be showing you, and when I click on this, you can see here is the reviews what we offers. You can see when I move the cursor, when I move the mouse, you can see here the here the color will be changed, and you can see here is showing you the contact us button. You can see we have offered daily training, professional teachers, mood improvement, good health, excellent well-being, and meditative practice. Alright, now moving forward, this is the last navbar which where I create a logo as well, and the underline break row, and these are the socials platforms which is Twitter, Telegram, and Instagram. So how's the website? Tell me about the website reviews. If you guys new on my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks a lot.